Hey, welcome back. Well, today is the day that I've been kind of dreading because this is something way new for me. But before we could do that, we got to remove all this plastic right here that I put 1,000,000 cap nails in. So today's project, and I'm getting started late as usual. That's always my story, right? I'm going to remove all these cap nails, remove the plastic, remove the boards that have as supports the pralines. I think that's what they call them. Raise the ridge right here, raise the ridge beam to where it's supposed to be. Hopefully I calculated correctly. And then we're going to start cutting roof rafters. We're going to see how well I can cut a roof rafter. All right, let's get to work. Thanks for watching. As always, if you like this content, please subscribe. I have the products below of all the stuff I use. And if you like any of those products, please use those links. Every click actually helps out the channel. And if you buy something, it helps out even more. So let's get going. Like I said before, we're going to start by removing all these cap nails. Let's see here. Let's see if I did myself any favors. They're not that difficult to remove. There's just a whole bunch of them. All right, so this part up here, I'll get from inside. I'll take this plastic down. Let's get this side, go through the top and get this end off, and then we'll get this plastic off here and start disarming or disassembling the roof. All right, now we get this off right here on the other side. Let's go inside, take all that off, and then we'll rip off this plastic. Hey, look at me. Huh? All right. Getting close to taking all this off. Man, this is taking a lot longer than I thought it would. Phew, I put a lot. I knew the wind was blowing hard and it was going to storm. So I put a lot of cat nails in this. And I don't want to leave any nails behind because I want to reuse this wood and for the rafters. So I have to be careful and make sure the nails are out of it. All right, so almost done here. Almost done. And that camera turned off. Oh well. So I'm almost done here, and we'll start taking these down. Then I'll raise this ridge beam, and then we get the fun part. All right, let's keep going. GoPro stop. All right, we got this end done. I can leave that plastic down there for the meantime. What I'm going to do here is, let me see if I can swing the camera around here. I just had a brilliant idea. It's probably not going to hold my weight. I'm probably going to fall miserable. But I'm going to reinforce this piece of plywood right here. And I'm going to make me a scaffold so I can cross back and forth in the middle. I'll have this ridge beam to hold on to. Kinda. Not real sturdy. Alright, let's get working taking these rafters off. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to measure up 51 and 1/32, and that's the top. That would be the top of my board. That's right there. I'll mark that off, and since nothing's perfect, I'll probably have to so my board needs to come up to this. All right, I probably was moving around and lost a lot of recording here. So got this level right here. Put a level on it, and it's all good now. So tomorrow we can start cutting and installing our roof rafters. This took a lot longer than I thought to do today. I killed a lot of time out here taking all this plastic down. But yeah, we're ready to actually start putting up roof rafters. So we'll do that tomorrow. So stay tuned, and we'll pick this up again tomorrow morning, okay?